What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I wanted to announce a sale for Banggood's Prime Summer Sale. It runs from the 21st of July to the 23rd. They actually shared with me a spreadsheet that you guys could check out all the coupon codes and everything too. Now they are affiliate links. It does help support the channel, help support me. I'm able to get more product in for review and really be able to ramp up the channel and the production value of this channel as well. So it does help me out in the long run. But I'll be leaving a link down below to this spreadsheet. Let me show you to you real quick. So we have all these things in blue. All these are some of my specially marked items that I think is a really good value, like this Emax Tiny Hawk indoor FPV racing drone kit. Comes with the goggles and comes with the controller and the drone itself. So that's really an awesome deal for, especially for $80, $79.19 with the coupon. But I really wanted to just share this, with you guys. And if you guys want to make a purchase and support the channel, go ahead and use those links down below with the spreadsheet as well. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.